Hello, my friends. Today, I would like to show you how to pull a chair from a table and tuck it back in. After I show you that, I would like to show you how to move a chair from one place to another. Did you know there's a special way to do these things? Well, today, I'm going to show you. I'll bet that you have a chair and a table at home. You might even have more than one table. In fact, I'll bet you have more than one chair. You might have 3 chairs, or 4 chairs, or maybe 5 chairs in your home. You can use this work to move a chair in your home. All right, watch carefully so you will know how to do it when you'd like to try it at home. Did it. I was able to pull this chair out and tuck it back in without making much noise. Let me show you one more time. Next, I would like to show you how to move this chair over to that side of the table. Watch carefully. I did it. Did you notice that first I had to pull the chair out from underneath the table first, just like I showed you earlier in the video. And then after I moved it around the table, I had to tuck it back in, just like I showed you before. I wonder if you could try this work at home. Well, thank you so much for your attention.